pray for mercy. I don't beg for light. I keep my pain behind a locked door at night. They think I'm cold, they think I'm a storm, but I bleed in silence just to keep them whole. Every lie I told was just a shield. Every scar I've earned, one more I will. I built these walls so they won't fall, but they don't know I bear it all. I stand in the storm so they can't sleep. Carry the weight that cuts too deep. If love means pain, then I'll take mine, just to keep my bloodline fine. No heaven's gate, no sinner's song. I've got that wow my whole life long. I've walked through hell with their names in mind, and traded peace for a fragile line. I don't need thanks, I don't need fame, just to know they'll never feel the same. The hardest part of being strong is no one asks what's going wrong. I'm the sinner they depend upon, the broken man that carries on. I stand in the storm so they can't sleep. Carry the weight that cuts too deep. If love means pain, then I'll take mine, just to keep my bloodline fine. No heaven's gate, no sinner's song. I've got that wow my whole life long. Every night I break, but never fall. Their laughter's worth my every wall. Let the world forget my name. I'll burn, I'll fight, I'll take the blame. I stand in the storm so they can breathe. Love's the fire that burns in me. I don't need light, I don't need grace, just strength enough to take their place. If my soul's the price I pay, then I'll fall to keep their pain away. I built my world on maps and lines, every heartbeat town to pleasant signs. A silence filled with measured breath controls the only way I've kept my death. Each move's a prayer to stay in tight, but faith turns cold when you can't look back. I thought peace was found in the rules I made, but the tighter I hold, the more it fades. I am the man who stands against the storm. Build my grace, but they don't see the war behind his face. Every plan's a wall, every lie I'll brace to keep the kingdom from my own disgrace. Power whispers sweet like sin, but I'm the cage that I'm living in. You can't command the fire inside, no matter how long you've tried to hide. I am the man who stands against the storm. Build my crown from nights I couldn't mourn. Orders my armor, paints my creed. I rule my heart, but it still bleeds. And if control's the price of peace, then let my chaos never cease. There's no throne without a chain, no victory without the pain. I wear my silence like a scar. It keeps me human where the shadows are. I am the man who forged his name in fire, tamed the dark, then fed its choir. Orders my weapon, guilt's my seed. I fight the storm that lives in me. If control's my curse, so let it be. I'd rather burn than live unfree. He walks through rooms like he owns the air. Eyes so calm you'll never guess away. Every smile's a blade he hides behind. Every truth he bears to survive the grind. People praise the way he stands so tall, but he's just scared of ever letting fall. He don't pray, just keep still. His faith is something he forgot to feel. Power's just a mask he learned to wear, built from wounds he never dared to share. He holds his crown, but it cuts so deep. The king who trades his soul for sleep. No one sees what the silence hides, the war he fights behind his eyes. Learn to lead with measured tone, turn his heart into a polished stone. When love came knocking, he just smiled, too afraid to let it stay a while. They call him wise, they call him strong, but he's been breaking all along. Every word he never said echoes louder in his head. Power's just a mask he learned to wear, built from wounds he never dared haunted by the choices he made. He once believed control was grace. Now it's just a shadow wearing his face. Power's just a mask he learned to wear. It burns his hands, but he won't care. He holds the throne built out of pain. The crown still shines beneath the rain, and though no one hears him cry tonight, he's a king who bleeds behind the line. She smiled once and it burned through me like whiskey spilling on an open flame. I thought I could tame what I couldn't see, but love don't play by any man's game. Now I keep it locked beneath my ribs, where her ghost still hums in minor chords. Learn the hard way, hearts don't heal. They just learn how to hide what's real. Love's a fire I don't touch no more. Burn my soul clean through the floor. Every scar I wear's a vow I made to never beg, to never fade. If I ever love again someday, bleed in silence, walk away. Talking smiles, but mean goodbye. 'Cause I've seen mercy dressed in lies. They call it faith, I call it pain. The kind you learn but can't explain. Every time I reach for light, it cuts my hand just out of spite. You don't lose love, it just turns cold and whispers back the things you sold. Love's a fire I don't touch no more. It burned my soul clean through the floor. Every scar I wear's a vow I made to never beg, to never fade. If I ever love again someday, I bleed in silence, walk away. I've held redemption, watched it die in the arms of truth, dressed up as lies. Now I light my smoke and let it glow. That's the only warmth I'll ever know. Love's a fire I don't touch no more. It burned my name on every door. If she's a saint, I'm just a sin, the one she lost but can't forgive. So I walk the night and fade away. Some men love once, they never stay.